You can see here, the video is just showing one of our hot-selling model P52 hose crimping machines. Okay, hello my friend. Alright. Welcome to our live show. I will send you our catalog for your reference. Okay, now we are just sharing the information of our P52 hose crimping machines. You can see this model sells quite well in our European markets. Most of our European customers prefer this model quite well. You can see this model has a very large crimping range. It can crimp from 1/4 to 2.5 inches. Very large crimping range. And that model has quick change switch and also the die stand. And the operation of that model, okay,